When the client asks me for gluten-free desserts, macaron is my number one recommendation. They kind of cute. They look like a mini hamburgers. They light and crunchy yet have a soft and chewy texture, and they also have a wonderfully rich, smooth, and creamy filling. Macarons are so irresistible. Once you have one, you can have another. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Dim Han, and today I will teach you how to make macaron.
Today, I will discuss the French chocolate macaron method. This type of macaron is very popular and easy to make. First, the ingredients. You will need the following: 15 grams cocoa powder, 80 grams egg white, 90 grams ground almond, 90 grams icing sugar, 55 grams caster sugar. Now the steps. Preheat your oven to 300 Fahrenheit. Mix egg white and caster sugar in a large mixing bowl and whip them together into meringue. Sift the almond powder, icing sugar, and cocoa powder together well, or use a food processor if available. Fold in the dry ingredient mixture and the meringue using a figure-8 mixing motion. This will knock some of the air out, giving the macaron a smooth start. Line a standard style baking sheet with parchment paper. You can also use silicone baking mat instead. Put the batter into piping bag. Begin piping batter in small 3.5 cm mounds, 2 cm apart. Tap the tray against the counter gently so that the tips of the mold flatten and become smooth on top.
Before you begin baking, a couple things to keep in mind. Everyone's oven is different. Your oven might be different from my oven. Also, the humid condition can affect how the macaron turns out, as they must be very dry before you begin baking. This means that in some dry climates, you may have to wait 20 minutes, while in other more humid climates, you might have to wait over an hour for the batter become dry.
Test the batter for dryness. If dry, the batter should not stick to your finger when touching the surface of the batter. Once the batter is dry, place baking sheet in oven on the middle rack and bake at 300 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. When time is up, open the oven door and leave open for 2 minutes before taking out the tray. Let cool for 10-15 minutes. You can check for coolness by touching as well. When the macarons have completely cooled down, remove from the tray by gently peeling each shell off from the tray. Store shells in an airtight container while preparing the filling.
You have an unlimited amount of options for the filling: dark chocolate ganache, white chocolate ganache, French buttercream, the list goes on. You can even prepare savory filling for the macaron. It's entirely up to you. For me, the best type of sandwich cookie is balanced not from animal sugar, but from adding the richness to the cream to satisfy the taste. Perhaps you add a little starch or salty into the filling to complete the sandwich cookie that melts in your mouth.
The filling uses 3 main components: dark chocolate ganache, soft caramel, and peanut butter. The soft and soft caramel and creamy crunchy of the peanut butter combined with the dark chocolate ganache perfectly complement each other. Not too sweet, not too salty, just right. Each component is prepared independently and assembled in layers when putting the cookie together. First, the soft chocolate ganache. The ingredients: 200 grams dark chocolate, 200 grams 35% cream, 70 grams soft butter. The steps: heat the cream to boil. Pour in the chocolate. Stir until the chocolate completely melts. Leave in room temperature or in the fridge to set. Next, the soft caramel. The ingredients: 300 grams 35% cream, 200 grams light corn syrup, 50 grams brown sugar, 100 grams caster sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. The steps: combine the brown sugar, 35% cream, and light corn syrup in a saucepan over high heat. Once combined, set aside. In a separate saucepan over medium-low heat, add caster sugar and stir until melted into an amber color. Slowly pour the liquid cream into the caramel while stirring. Pour into mason jar and let cool in the fridge to thick. Now the final assembly of the macaron. Put ganache into a piping bag and pipe a generous amount of ganache on the bottom shelf. Spoon a dot of quality crunchy peanut butter on the center of the ganache. Freeze the filling with salt caramel. Place the top shell on the filling and gently press down. Keep them set in the fridge 1 day before serving. That's it. Now enjoy it. I can't wait to try it.